everyone, I'm LOO JIE YANG from Lecture Group 9. Today I'm going to talk about topic 12.6, the evolutionary relationship in animal kingdom based on the level of organization, germ layer, body plan, body cavity, and also segmentation, which is also known as metamerism. First of all, animal is classified into two cliques. The first one is Parozoa, while the others is Eumetazoa. The major difference between Parozoa and Eumetazoa is Parozoa have animal cell that is loosely associated and they do not form through tissue, while for Eumetazoa, they will have well-defined tissue layer. If you look from other aspects, we will find out that Parozoa have indeterminate shape, while for Eumetazoa, the shape is determinate. And other than that, Parozoa is said to be asymmetrical, while Eumetazoa is symmetrical. If you move on, there will be evolutionary relationship based on germ layer. While germ layer are three layers of tissue that established during the early embryonic development. One of the layer is known as ectoderm, which is the outer germ layer, and this will give rise to the outer covering of bodies and nervous tissue. After ectoderm is followed by mesoderm, which is the layer between ectoderm and endoderm, and this layer will develops into muscle, skeletal structure, and reproductive organ. Then the inner layers is known as endoderm, and endoderm will develops into digestive tube and other structures such as lungs and liver in vertebrates. Therefore, there is diploblastic animal that have only two germ layers, the ectoderm and endoderm, and there is triploblastic animal that have three germ layers, the ectoderm, endoderm, and also mesoderm. However, sponge do not have any germ layer. There is also evolutionary relationship based on body plan, and there are three types of symmetry. It includes the bilateral symmetry, where the animals can be divided only by one planes that pass through the middle lines of the body. There are some advantages for bilateral asymmetry, and one of them is it allows parts of body evolve in different ways, and it also permitting the body organ located in different parts of a body. Other than that, it also allows the animal move from one place to another. Let's get back to the type of symmetry. Other than bilateral symmetry, there is radial symmetry, where the animal body has general form of view and multiple planes can be drawn through the center of axis. The last type of symmetry is asymmetry, where there is no plane of symmetry for the animals. Body cavity is a fluid-filled space that separates the digestive tract and internal organ from the rest of the body. There are some advantages which include it allows the extensive growth of organ and permit the efficient circulatory system without being restricted by the compact body. Other than that, the fluid in column also able to transport the mineral much faster because it bathes the internal organ directly in the liquid. There are three types of body cavity, and one of them is allocomate, where there's no body cavity. The inside of a body is filled with cell, or we can say that the body is solid with no fluid-filled cavity, and the example is flatworm. The second type of body cavity is pseudocolumate, where there is a false column. The body cavity of this animal is not completely lined with mesoderm as shown in diagram, and the example is roundworm. The last type of body cavity is columnate, where there is true column. The body cavity of this animal is lined with mesoderm that hold mesentery, hold their gut in place. And for an example is earthworm. The last part of topic 12.6 is evolutionary relationship based on segmentation. Segmentation allows high degree of specialization in body region, and in some adult arthropods, the segments are fused. The advantage of segmentation is each segment develops a complete set of organ system in annelids, and if there is any damage to any segment, it won't cause fatality, or we can say that it won't cause critical damage to the animal. Other than that, segmentation also makes locomotion more effective because each segment can move independently. That's all for topic 12.6. Thank you.